Welcome. Today, let's walk through the updated steps on how to pin a message in your saved messages on Telegram. If you ever find yourself scrolling endlessly to locate an important note, link, or reminder, pinning that message can save you a lot of time and hassle. Here's how you can do it quickly and easily. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, look towards the top left corner for the menu icon. It might look like 3 horizontal lines. Or in some versions, it could be your profile picture. Tap on that to open the main menu. From the menu, find and tap on Saved Messages. This is your personal space in Telegram, where you can store notes, links, photos, and anything else you want to keep handy. Think of it as your own digital notepad within the app. Now scroll through your saved messages and find the message you want to pin. This could be anything: a shopping list, a voice memo, or a crucial document. When you've found the message, simply tap on it once. This will highlight the message and bring up a small menu of options at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your device. In that menu, look for the option that says Pin. Tap on it, and Telegram will ask you to confirm your choice. Go ahead and confirm. Instantly, your selected message will be pinned right at the top of your saved messages chat, making it easy to access whenever you need it. That's it. Your important message will now always be just a tap away, no matter how many new notes or reminders you add to your saved messages. If you ever want to unpin it, just tap on the pinned message again and select Unpin. Pinning messages in Telegram is a simple yet powerful way to stay organized and make sure nothing important gets lost in the shuffle. Give it a try, and keep your key information front and center.